Hey guys, this is Gloria. So I am back again, guys. Can you believe it? I'm back again with more Happy Mail. So I received this big, huge box from Tena, who is Tena right here on YouTube. She goes by Hands of a Miracle, and you know, it's spelled a little differently than what you would normally expect. So I will definitely link her information down below. She has an awesome testimony, guys, and so her testimony is so inspiring. And so I would love it if you guys go over and check out her channel. She's going to be doing more project shares and different things like that. And I think that we just need to encourage her and keep her motivated to share with us everything that she creates. So without further ado, I'm going to take this box down because, of course, my workstation is not that large. And I want you guys to be able to see what she sent. The box was wrapped really pretty. And, excuse me, I have something in my throat. And she had a note on the front. And Tina, I almost threw away the note that was on the front because I didn't realize that there was a note inside of the front of the box, on the outside of the box. But thank you so much for sending me more information about you. I love finding out things about my subbies and different people here on YouTube. I think it's just so interesting. So the first thing that she sent was this envelope, and it had my name on it, and it had happy birthday, and she stamped some little things on there. I thought this was so cute. And this is the card here. It's embossed. It looks like she used some sprays and some inks. This is a die that she used on the front. Even looks like she probably used like some, what do you call those things? Like that enamel dots, I think it's called. But it's so pretty. Look how pretty. So pretty. And then she, it's a birthday card, and she, you know, did happy birthday and all that stuff in the inside. And then look at this. She made me a little charm. And I plan to probably use this on one of my journals, but it says, I love God. It has a little cupcake bead. It has a heart bead, Holy Bible bead, a little sucker. This is so pretty. And another little cupcake that says sweet. That is so pretty. I love that. So that was the first thing. And then I see this applique. It's an iron-on applique of a cupcake, which is super cute. Love that. And then a macaroon. And it's so funny because I just changed my banner on the face of my channel for YouTube. And it has macaroons on there. And I created that banner using my Silhouette Cameo. So I'll hopefully have a video up soon on how you can create your own banners. And then she sent me this envelope, and it's super cute. I may even have to use that in a mini album, but it's just like a stationery set where you can write a note on here and put it in the envelope. Really cute. She sent me some sweets, some Junior Mints. Really cool. This was so cute. This is a cupcake pad. And it's a notepad, and it's shaped like a little cupcake. I thought that was so cute. I love that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for thinking about me. She had a birthday too, and I believe her birthday was on the 21st, I believe. And I didn't know until, you know, later on, because she asked me if she could send me a card. And of course, this was supposed to be just a card, but she sent a whole bunch of other goodies, including this. And I have no idea what it is because I did not open it. I know that it is wrapped in fabric with this really pretty purple lace trim. So I'm going to try to open that up. That bow is so pretty on the front of there. And then look, the fabric is like a bow fabric, and I can definitely use this for making some projects. Oh, and I love the pins are even cute. Look at the pins. So pretty. I'm definitely going to be using these. Thank you so much. And let's open it up. Yeah, that's a nice piece of fabric. It's like a flannel. So pretty. So I'll definitely be using that for a project. And the you know, the ribbon that was tied around at the lace. So let's see. It says Kate Aspen on the front. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Look at the unicorn. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh, this is beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I love it. Ah, another unicorn. Yay. I'm excited. I love that. So pretty. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. That was so pretty. And then she sent another package that's wrapped up with this gorgeous tulle. And I love the way you make your bows. They're so fluffy and big and pretty. See that, guys? So pretty. And then you can still use like all of this material and stuff for other projects, which I love to do. But let me unwrap this one. And this one is covered in unicorn fabric. Look at this. So pretty. I can use these fabrics for different things. So, oh, and I love I wanted some of these pins. These are so cute. They remind, I don't know if they're Tilda or not, but they remind me of the Tilda pins. And I didn't, I don't think I ever had any, or if I did, I probably sent them off, you know, gave them away. So cute. So let me unwrap this one and see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Girl, you are spoiling me. Check you out. Wait a minute. Let me move this down. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh my gosh. So it is like a mermaid finish type of holder. And oh my gosh, my girls may steal these, honey. Oh my goodness, I can see them now, jumping on them. She sent me unicorn brushes. How cute is that? Thank you so much, sweetie. Oh my gosh. And this box actually came on my birthday. On my birthday, mind you. And but I've been like trying to unpack and do all kind of stuff because I had to, you know, go back to work. So I didn't have a chance to go through it, but I did, you know, let her know that I received it. And you know, so, and I told her I would make a video, but this is the next one. And this is, I love this color tool. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to use that on a project. And look, macaroon fabric that she wrapped it in. So cute. I love the fact that you wrap this stuff in fabric that I can reuse. And then look, she sent me some peppermint bath fizz that's shaped like little macaroons. How cute is that? I love that. Such a great idea. Thank you so much. And then, let's see. Okay. Now this says Straight from Heaven, Princess Sugar and Spice. Oh, so this may be for baby girl. Look, it looks like a piece of candy. It's wrapped like a piece of candy. That is so cute. And I love this fabric. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to let my daughter open this up. I won't open that up. I'll let her open it. I think that's for baby girl. I don't know. And then she also sent this one with cupcakes on it. And it's a pin in this one. And let's see. Oh my gosh. And thank you guys. I mean, I just appreciate you guys. I appreciate everyone that watches my channel, everyone that inspires me, and everyone that say that I inspire them. You guys just don't know, like, I'm super inspired too by everybody here on YouTube, and I love watching videos and getting new ideas and trying new things. And that's pretty much what it's all about, is like, just try it out, you know. If it don't work, it don't work, you know. It's always toss it in the garbage and start again, you know. But it's so fun to try. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this. A bath fizzy cupcake, and it's shaped like a little cupcake. That is so cool. Thank you so much. So yep, I'm gonna leave this one for my daughter to open, and only because I think that it is for baby girl, but I'm not sure. So thank you so much for everything, Tina. And again, guys, I will link her information down below. If you guys can go over and subscribe to her and just encourage her to you know, keep on creating, because like I said, she has a wonderful testimony. And I think that anytime you can go through the things that she's been through and still come out on top, then you are a winner, plain and simple. So that is about it, guys. I hope to be back soon with some type of project share. I do have a haul video to share with you guys. Plus, again, just a reminder, this weekend is the Not Just Stickers sale here in Chicagoland area. It's held in Elmhurst, and it started today, but it goes until Saturday. And Saturday all day is half off day. And it used to be that half off was only for 1 hour. Now the entire Saturday is half off. So it's a great time to get some good deals on some crafty goodness. And so if you're in the area, you may want to check that sale out, because they have so many things that you're looking for, that you weren't looking for, that you just need in your life or whatever. So that's about it, guys. Again, thank you, Tina, so much. And I will link her information down below. And as always, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.